5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Commissioner of Police, Delhi, the appellant is in appeal, aggrieved by a common judgment of the Delhi High Court by which the respondents, bracket open, hereafter referred to as candidates, applicants, bracket close, were directed to be considered for appointment to the post of Constable of Delhi Police, full stop. An advertisement was issued in the year 2008, inviting applications from the eligible candidates to fill up the vacancies in the cadre of Constable in the Delhi Police, full stop. It is not in dispute that the respondent candidates, in their applications, disclosed that criminal cases had been instituted against them as well as the outcome of those cases, full stop, except in SLP, bracket open, C, bracket close, 18385/2013, where the applicant Geeta Saini was facing trial, the criminal cases had ended in compromise, full stop. After due consideration of their candidature, and in terms of SO number 387/2009, the appellant referred their cases to a standing committee, to assess their suitability, full stop. In Geeta Saini's case, the consideration was deferred since she was facing trial in criminal proceedings where she was charged with committing the offence of kidnapping under section 364 IPC, full stop, by various orders, which were impugned in separate proceedings by the candidates, the Central Administrative Tribunal, bracket open, CAT, bracket close, allowed the applicants of the candidates, upholding their pleas, and quashing the order of the screening committees, full stop. All the order of the CAT were impugned by the appellant before the High Court, full stop. They were dealt with and considered by the common impugned order, which rejected the appellant's petitions, under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, full stop. The main argument by the candidates was that, having regard to the terms of the applicable standing order as well as the decisions of this court, the rejection of their candidature was unsustainable because of non-hyphen application of mind, and further the orders were made in a mechanical manner, full stop. By the impugned order, the division bench allowed the writ petition and quashed the rejection of the candidatures of the respondents, full stop. It is urged by the Additional Solicitor General, bracket open, ASG, bracket close, Miss Ragini Diwan, appearing on behalf of the appellant, that the impugned judgment is erroneous inasmuch as the division bench lost sight of the fact that the standing orders could not be so read as compelling the authorities to select applicants whose conduct was not satisfactory in the opinion of the screening committee, full stop. The appellant relies upon the ruling of this court in Commissioner of Police, New Delhi, as well as the observations of the 3-judge bench in the court's judgment, full stop. The appellant urges that in all the 4 cases, the candidates faced the criminal proceedings in most of them, even charges were framed, after which the cases against them ended in a compromise, full stop. In the case of Miss Geeta Saini, the candidate was not only accused but also charged for committing the offence of kidnapping, full stop. She stood trial but was acquitted on the ground of insufficient evidence, full stop. It was submitted that, having regard to the nature of the offences that the candidates were alleged to have committed and the outcome of the cases, the authorities were justified in concluding that they were unsuitable for employment in the concerned post, that is as constables of police, full stop. इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक दिया हुआ है, जहां पे आपको ये पीडीएफ प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा.